Okay, next topic, complementary angles. Complementary angles. Here let alpha comma beta are two angles. When we say that these two angles are said to be complementary angles, are two angles said to be complementary angles if alpha plus beta is equal to 90. Sum of the angles equal to 90 degrees, then we say that alpha comma beta are said to be complementary angles. Now I am taking the let triangle ABC be a right angle triangle with right angle at B. Here at B is a right angle. Here what about A and B? Here it is A, it is a B. Now in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degrees. Angle B is a right angle. Right angle means 90 degrees. So here A plus 90 plus C is equal to 180. A plus C is equal to 180 minus 90. So from this A plus C is equal to 90 degrees. So the remaining two angles are complementary angles. So the sum of the two angles A and C is equal to 90. Then these A and C are said to be complementary angle. A is the complementary angle of C and C is a complementary angle of A. So from this C can be written as 90 minus A, or we can write it as A can be written as 90 minus C. C is equal to 90 minus A is equal to 90 minus C. Now I am taking A is equal to theta, that implies C is equal to, we will get 90 minus theta. So here it is a theta, then it is become a 90 minus theta. How will you get the C angle? C is equal to 90 minus C theta. If A is equal to theta, then angle C is equal to 90 minus theta. If angle C is equal to theta, then angle A is equal to 90 minus theta. Why? They are complementary angles. Next I am taking let triangle ABC is a right angle triangle with right angle at B. Then what will happen? A and C are complementary angles. Now I am taking let angle A is equal to theta. From that angle C is equal to 90 minus theta. So here it is a triangle. Here C, it is A, it is a B. So if you are taking angle A is equal to theta, then automatically angle C is equal to 90 minus theta. So from this, here AB, now I am taking the sine 90 minus theta. Sine 90 minus theta. So sine 90 minus theta, what is that? Opposite side to angle 90 minus theta by hypotenuse. What is the opposite side to the angle 90 minus theta? That is AB by AC. Hypotenuse always AC only. The opposite side and adjacent side will be changed, but hypotenuse always AC only. What about cos theta? Cos theta means adjacent side to theta by hypotenuse. What is the adjacent side to the angle theta? Adjacent side to the angle theta. Theta is here. So AB is adjacent side. So AC is a hypotenuse. So here we got that cos theta is equal to AB by AC. So sin 90 minus theta is equal to AB by AC, and cos theta is also equal to AB by AC. From this we can say that sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. What about cos 90 minus theta? Cos 90 minus theta is equal to, what is the formula? Adjacent side to angle 90 minus theta by hypotenuse. What is a side which is opposite adjacent side to the angle 90 minus theta? Here it is a 90 minus theta. What is adjacent side? That is a BC. So BC by AC. So cos 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AC. So from what about sin theta? Sin theta means opposite side to angle theta by hypotenuse. So sin theta will get opposite side to the angle theta. So this is a theta. What is the opposite side to the angle theta? That is a BC. BC by AC. So here we got that cos 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AC, and sin theta is equal to ABC by AC. So from this we can say that cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Let me see about tan 90 minus theta. That is opposite side by adjacent side. Opposite side means AB by BC. So what about cot theta? Cot theta also will get cot theta means adjacent side by opposite side. Adjacent side means AB by BC. From this we can say that tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Similarly we will get sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So therefore note, what is the first? Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. Second one, cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. Third one, tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Fourth one, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Fifth one, sec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec theta. Cosec 90 minus theta is equal to cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. Next exercise. First one, evaluate. First one, cos 22 by sin 68. So here cos 22 sin 68. From this what we observe, 22 and 68 both are complementary angle. 22 and 68 both are complementary angles. So 68 we can write it as 90 minus 22, and 22 we can write it as 90 minus 68. So change any one of them. Now I am changing the denominator, cos 22 by sin 90 minus 22. So 68 we can write it as sin 90 minus 22. So we know the one of the formula, sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So from this we can say that cos 22 by cos 22. Cos 22 by cos 22 will get 1. The second problem, tan 47 by cot 43. Now from this what we can say that 47 and 43 both are complementary angles. So if you add 47 plus 43, that is 90. So 47 we can write it as 90 minus 43, or 43 we can write it as 90 minus 47. So change any one. I am changing the denominator. So tan 47 by cot 90 minus 47. So tan 47 by cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta is tan 47. Since cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. So tan 45 will get cancelled, that is equal to 1. Let me see third problem. Sec 75 by cosec 15. Now if we observe 75 and 15 both are complementary angle. Why? 75 plus 15 is 90. 75 plus 15 is 90. 75 can be written as 90 minus 15 and 15 can be written as 90 minus 75. So here sec 75 by cosec 90 minus 75. So cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. So from this we can say that sec 75 by cosec 90 minus theta means sec theta means 75. So sec 75 by sec 75 means 1. Let me see the fourth problem. Cos 55 by sin 35 plus cot 35 by tan 55. So can we observe here cos 55 sin 35, 35 plus 55 90. So both are complementary angles. Here 35 55 both are complementary angles. So change any one of them. Cos 55 by sin 90 minus 55 plus cot 35 by tan of 90 minus 35. So here we will get cos 55 by cos 55 because sin 90 minus theta cos theta plus cot 35 by tan 90 minus 35, that is cot 35. So here both will get cancelled, these both will get cancelled, 1 plus 1 that is equal to 2. Next, fifth one. Sin square 40 minus cos square 50. Sin square 40 minus cos square 50. 40 and 50. 40 and 50 are complementary angles. 40 plus 50 is equal to 90. So 90 means 40 and 50 are complementary angles. So 40 can be written as 90 minus 50 and 50 can be written as 90 minus 40. So here it is a sin square 90 minus 50 minus cos square 50. We know this sin 90 minus theta, that is equal to cos theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So we will get sin 90 minus theta, we can write it as cos square 50 minus cos square 50. Cos square 50 minus cos square 50 will get cancelled, that is equal to 0. So let me see sixth one. Sec square 18 minus cosec square 72. So sec square 18 minus cosec square 72. 18 and 72. 18 plus 72. 90. So 18 and 17 both are complementary angles. So 18 can be written as 90 minus 72. 72 we can write it as 90 minus 18. So here it is a sec square 18 minus cosec square 90 minus 18. So cosec 90 minus theta is equal to sec theta. So we will get sec square 18 minus cosec 90 minus theta means sec square 18. Sec square 18 minus sec square 18, 0. Next, seventh problem. Sin 15 cos 15 minus cos 75 sin 75. Now here 15 75 90, 15 plus 75 90. So change to 75. So sin we can write it as 90 minus 75, cos 90 minus 75 minus cos 75 sin 75. Sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta means cos theta, cos 75. Cos 90 minus theta, sin 75 minus cos 75 sin 75. So both will be get cancelled, that is equal to 0. Next, eighth problem. Sin 42 sin 48 minus cos 42 cos 48. So here 48 plus 42 90, here 42 plus 48 90. So from these two you have to change any one of them. From these two you have to change any one of them. Now I am changing total here only. So that is sin, we can write it as 90 minus 42 means 48. Sin 48 we can write it as 90 minus 42 minus cos 42 cos 48. So here sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is cos theta. So cos 48. Sin 90 minus 42. It is also cos 42 minus cos 42 cos 48. It is a cos 48 into cos 42. It is cos 42 into cos 48. Both are same only. So they both will get cancelled, that is equal to 0. Next, second bit. Evaluate first one, sin 90 minus a sin a, cos 90 minus a cos a. So here it is a sin 90 minus a. Sin 90 minus a, 90 minus theta means cos theta. Cos 90 minus theta is equal to sin theta. From these two we can write it as sin 90 minus a, we can write it as cos a into sin a minus cos 90 minus a. Cos 90 minus a we can write it as sin a cos a. It is a sin a cos a, sin a cos a. Both will get cancelled, that is equal to 0. Second one, sin square 35 minus cos square 55. Here 35 55, 35 plus 55 90, both are complementary angles. So both are complementary angles. So 35 can be written as 90 minus 55 and 55 we can write it as 90 minus 35. So sin square 90 minus 55 minus cos square 55. So sin square, sin 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta means cos theta. So cos square 55 minus cos square 55. Both will get cancelled, that is equal to 0. Next, third one, cot 54 by tan 36 minus plus tan 20 by cot 70 minus 2. So here 54 and 36 both are complementary angles. 20 and 70 complementary angles. 20 plus 70 is equal to 90. 54 plus 36 is equal to 90. So 54 we can write it as 90 minus 36. So here cot 90 minus 36 by tan 36 plus tan 90 minus 70 by cot 70 minus 2. So cot 90 minus theta, cot 90 minus theta is equal to tan theta. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. So from this cot 90 minus 36 we can write it as tan 36 by tan 36 plus tan 90 minus 70 we can write it as cot 70 by cot 70 minus 2. These both will get cancelled. 1 plus 1 minus 2. So 2 minus 2. 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. Next, fourth one. 2 tan 53 by 2 tan 53 by cot 37 minus cot 80 by tan 10. Now tan 53 cot 37, 53 and 37, 53 plus 37 90 degrees, so they are complementary angles. 80 plus 10 90, so they both are complementary angles. So here we can write it as 2 tan 53 by cot 90 minus 53 minus cot 80 by, we can write it as tan 90 minus 80. So 2 tan 53 by cot 90 minus theta. Cot 90 minus theta means tan 53 minus cot 80 by tan 90 minus 80. So tan 90 minus 80 means cot 80. So these both will get cancelled. 2 minus 1, that is equal to 1. What about fifth problem? Cos square 25 minus sin square 65 minus tan square 45. So we know that tan 45 value is 1. So tan 45 value is 1. Now what about 25 and 65? 25 plus 65 is 90. So 90 means these two are complementary angles. So cos square 25 minus sin square 65, we can write it as 90 minus 25 minus tan 45 means 1. So this is a cos square 25 minus sin 90 minus theta, cos square 25 minus 1. These both will get cancelled, that is equal to minus 1.